Okay, so right now I'm about to explain my code about the task uh, in object-oriented programming to calculate the area and volume of beam and cylinder. So, here we have main class, and here I have main class. The main class I use here is using a GUI using the G frame here, the G frame. And then I also have interfaces. The interfaces is here, the calculate field, flat field, and the calculate space. And then I have circle, rectangle, beam, cylinder classes. Yeah, I have beam, circle, cylinder, and rectangle here. Okay, so I will start from the rectangle. So the rectangle here I have constructor. I have constructor for the rectangle, and then I have encapsulation here. I use encapsulation here and setter and getter. And then here I use override. Yeah, I implement the calculate field from the interface. From here, the get round and the get area to rectangle, and also to the circle. To the circle, as you can see, here I also use the constructor, and then I use the get round and the get area that I inherit from the calculate field, flat field. And then for the beam, uh, the beam, mm, the beam, this could be final. Yeah, okay. So the beam here, I use the constructor as well, and I use here super because I extend it from rectangle, so the length and width I use is from the rectangle class. Like that. I will also use the, what do you call this again, the encapsulation, and then I use get volume here, and that I inherit from the calculate space class here. Yeah, inheritance, and I use override and calculate constructor here. Okay. So actually, all of the programs I use is here. Is here. Let me run this. Okay, as you can see, this works. For example, I choose one, and then I like it 5 4 3, and it will show the result, and it will keep on going until I say exit. For example, this is correct, by the way, because the area is 5 times 4, the round is 10 plus 8 18 here, and 5 times 4 times 3 is 60. And then for the circle and cylinder, this is the result. And yeah, this is the result. But actually I don't use this class file to run. Oh, can I let me run this uh, again. And yeah, for example, I want to exit. I press 3 and it stopped. Okay, the reason why I don't use this class is because I use the GUI, the G-frame in main Java right here. So if I just run, it will look like this, like this. Can I? Nah. Okay, that's ugly. Okay, yeah. Wait. Yeah. So if you can choose rectangle and beam, or circle and cylinder. For example, I choose rectangle and beam, like this. I choose 5 4 3 calculate. They will output the value. For example, I want to change 4, it will change 5, it will change both here and here. Yeah, as you can see. And for example, I want to go to calculate cylinder. I just press calculate cylinder and I input my radius in Hague, for example. Here I can change it also like this, and it will change the value like that. Calculate beam again. 6543. So yeah, the main Java is actually pretty short because I use three frame. The main Java, the circle cylinder, like here. This is the source code, and the logic. I put the logic here. So I read the. Wait, let me run. Let me run. Let me run. Rectangle and beam, for example. For like rectangle and beam, I put the logic here. So I read the value from here using this code, and then I create an object to calculate the round area and volume. So yeah, so these three lines of code are used to print the value that is calculated using the beam object. I'm using set text, by the way. And then here you can see that I use double so that it will record the decimal value um, from here, because when we input the value it will be string. So I need to change it into double first. I parse double, parse double, parse double, and then when I want to output it into here, yeah, I want to input here. I use toString. Actually, I want to change the. I cannot change. Oh, okay, never mind. Hmm. Okay. Actually, this is, yeah. By the way, this works fine. And for let me see, circle and cylinder, I use the two lines of codes here to read the value here, and then the object here, the object I call the object, and then I calculate here to display it here, to display into string again, double to strings, and then string to double to output the result. Okay, I think that's all about my code. Thank you and have a nice day.